down payment. First of all, type F-48. Then on this screen, provide the document date. This is the type and company code. Now give the posting date. After that, you need to write the tax report date. After writing this, please give the reference. Suppose I am writing down pay made. After that, I am writing the document header text. Suppose down payment made. Then I'll provide the vendor's account number. Special GL indicator is A. Now bank account and then amount. After that, go to request. On this page, select your request. This is my request and click on create down payments. So now go to document, select simulation and click the save button. Your down payment has been made.